Now let us look into what are the tools and requirements for this course. Now you would need a Python distribution, and the Anaconda distribution is the one which you need to download and install in your workstation. So look for Python 3.7 version and download the distribution specifically for your operating system. It could be Windows or Mac OS or Linux. The next step is to import the data science library ecosystem. Since we are working on machine learning based courses, we need an ecosystem where we can work on the data, do data wrangling, visualize the data, etc. So as a part of Anaconda distribution, we have all these packages which is pre-installed like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, etc. So all these libraries are necessary for our course as a pre-requirement. The next step is to install the libraries that is covered in the course. Now these are the libraries we are covering as a part of this course: scikit-learn, VLI5, XGBoost, MLExtend, and PYMC3. So all these packages can be installed in your Jupyter version by running the pip install command, pip install XGBoost or pip install MLExtend. So you can open the Anaconda prompt and then type this particular command to install the specific package. If it is already installed, it will give a message that this is already satisfied. If it is not, your Anaconda distribution will install this particular package into your Python environment.